everyone, welcome to Blooming Dreams. My name is Aditi. Very happy new year to all of you. Today we are sharing an unforgettable new year celebration which is filled with travel, joy and beautiful moments with friends and family. Join us as we travel from Leeds to London, meet our dear friends, celebrate the new year and make magical memories. This time we headed to London to witness the spectacular New Year's Eve fireworks. So without wasting time, let's start the vlog. Our New Year adventure began with a picturesque journey from Leeds to Uxbridge. The train ride from Leeds to London King's Cross was about 2 hours and 15 minutes, a smooth and fast journey. Then we will switch to London Underground to continue our journey to Uxbridge. It will be the Piccadilly line, our route. It's really fascinating how London's tube network is so efficient. It's a little crowded at times, but it gets you wherever you need to go in no time. The real highlight of the journey was the stunning English countryside. Rolling green fields, quaint villages, and even a sprinkle of winter frost made the scenery outside feel straight out of a postcard. As our train glided into Grantham station, a wave of nostalgia washed over me. This charming station reminded me of our memorable visit to Woolsthorpe Manor, the birthplace of the legendary Sir Isaac Newton. It's incredible to think that the town of Grantham is so closely tied to one of the greatest scientific minds in history. It was 30th December. After reaching Uxbridge, Anish was very happy to see Jiko, his little brother. We spent quality time with our friends. So the next day, on 31st December, we headed to central London to witness the spectacular New Year's Eve fireworks. We decided not to bring our little one alone due to the massive crowd and long wait, which you will see in this video.
এম্বাঙ্কমেন্ট স্টেশনে চলে এসেছি। কাতারে কাতারে লোক ফায়ারওয়ার্কস দেখতে এসছে। We need to go to blue entrance 2. There is a huge crowd in front of us. People are going to view the fireworks.
What is the time now? 8:17 on 4 hours to
Okay.
almost 4 hours.
We thought we are early, but no. See the crowd. My goodness. পুরো দুর্গা পূজার মতো। আমাদের টিকিট চেক হয়ে গেছে। আমরা এবার ভেতরে ঢুকেছি। দেখছি কতটা হাঁটতে হবে, আবার ওখানে সিকিউরিটি আছে, দিয়ে হয়তো এন্ট্রান্স। ওয়াও, ইট লুকস অ্যামেজিং। সিকিউরিটি চেক হয়ে গেছে। এই দূরে প্রচণ্ড সিকিউরিটি চেক হচ্ছে, প্রায় 5 রাউন্ড সিকিউরিটি চেকের পর আমরা ঢুকলাম। এবার আর কতটা হাঁটতে হবে দেখি।
Our ticket was Blue Zone ticket, which offers one of the best viewing experiences for the event. It was located on the Victoria Embankment near River Thames, offering an excellent view of the fireworks launched from the LondonNYE. This ticket includes food and beverage options, nearby restroom facilities. The atmosphere was electric with music, cheers, and thousands of people gathered to welcome 2025. While it was an incredible experience, the crowding made it challenging for families with young children. Waited nearly 4 long hours in the crisp winter air by the Thames, surrounded by buzz of excitement just to witness the spectacular London New Year's Eve fireworks. Totally worth every moment.
straight. I need to let you know we are 30 minutes away from 2025. I want to send a shout out to everyone who joined us from the EU. All the EU members, let me hear you scream. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A very happy new year to all, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know through your comments below, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon to receive a new video at the earliest.
হিউজ ক্রাউড। আমরা এখন ফিরছি, প্রচুর পুলিশ চারিদিকে, ভীষণ ভিড়।
Don't miss the next video where I will take you to the Winter Wonderland at Hyde Park, London. Take care always, my dear friends, and stay tuned.
My goodness, প্রচণ্ড ভিড়। এর মধ্যে হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে রামা, মনে হচ্ছে মায়াপুর নবদ্বীপে এসে গেছে।